Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Framer project to a client so they can access, edit, or take ownership of it easily. And so let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to open Framer on your computer and log into your account. And once you're in, you want to head over to the project you want to transfer. You'll see your workspace with all your designs and components ready to go. But before transferring, please make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. So check your layout, overlays, and interactions to ensure the design is finalized. And once that's done, it's time to prepare the project for sharing. So at the top right corner of your screen, you'll have two options. You can publish the project to make it live for preview, or you can invite your client to collaborate. If your client just needs to view the project, you can generate a preview link. So what you need to do is just click invite, change this to view only. This lets them open and interact with the design without making any changes. But if you want to give them full access so they can edit it as well, just go ahead and choose full access. Also, you can edit permissions up in here, as you can see. So basically, that's it. You've successfully transferred your frame project to your client, whether as a preview or full handover. This process ensures your work is delivered professionally and ready for your client to take over. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.